Tape. Is this thing on? Yeah, it's me, Woody. So, oh crap. See this big part over here? See this big part over here? That means it's spaghetti. It's spaghetti. It's spaghetti. Now I'm gonna show you how to. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Woody. So today's episode we're gonna be making a nice. Fresh ziti. It is a nice ball. You can eat it. You can do things. You can put it in your mouth. Sheesh. I don't know why people. Well, you can put it in your mouth to eat it. So, yeah. Ziti. Okay. Okay, that noise was loud, but I slammed a part of spaghetti down. Now, what you need to do is when you have your ziti, you see the bubbles. You see the bubbles? They're bubbling. And then you have your ziti. Yeah. And then you need the perfect one for this is the molars kind. So yeah. I'm holding the cam, and I have my molars right here. I'm not actually holding the cam, but I have the cameraman holding the camera. Okay. Give me that. No, it's mine. Give me that. Can anyone help? I'm just a cowboy loose to the floor. Help. I'm a cowboy just chilling on the floor. Help! 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 Okay, now that we're done with that. Okay, now that we're done with that. You need your perfect zit. And now I have my ziti. Now you put the box, throw it in your pan, and here you take your box, throw it in there, throw it in the pan, and then like you throw the whole box in the pan, it starts to stir it. But I don't do that. Stupid idiots will do that. Morons would do that. Okay, so you take the box, empty the zit, and then you have to put it into there. And once you put it into there, you have perfectly good. And then once you put it into there, you have to start to stir it. And once you stir it, can I pour this out?
Oops, careful.
Did you put the whole box in there?
Yeah.
Anyways, so now you need to touch the pot, see if it's not really hot, and then you need a spoon. So how do you spoon this? How do you do this? Okay. You need the spoon to start stirring, and how much it is, of how much you need of this. You take it out and you start to take it out and look at it rise. It reminds me of making macaroni. But don't eat it yet because it's still not ready. Now I'm gonna skip this part because I don't want you to stay here. Okay, Dad, can you stir it?
Yeah.
Okay. And look at it. It's almost done, but look how good it looks. Okay, I'm gonna see someone else to do the part. Okay, it's gonna be paused. After you're done mixing your cool. After you're done mixing your good, whatever it's called. What is it called? And once you're done stirring your ziti, you get the box, shove it in the pan. You take the box, shove it in the pan, and take it out, start stomping all over it, and start attacking it. And
Hey, remember Mr. James is downstairs. And also remember where that goes when you're done stomping on it.
yeah. And then you throw it in the trash. And then you aggressively beat the trash can because it threw away your food. And then you take a break. Now I'm going to take a break from stirring all this. Nah, it's my nice warm bed. Cold hard bed with a ziti. I'm done making shrimpos for the day. I am done liking shrimpos for the day, but now you just sit and relax and watch TV. And now there's a part 2 of Cooking with Woody ziti. It's where I test out the food and I see if it's so good.